In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit Agent efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned coder or someone who's just getting started, understanding how to leverage Replit Agent can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your development process. Let's dive into it. First things first, before we get into the nitty-gritty of using the Replit Agent, make sure you're logged into Replit. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead, enter your credentials, and get on the platform. Being logged in is essential because all the actions we'll be performing today require access to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to open the Replit project you want to work on. Head over to the Apps section. Here, you'll see a list of all your projects. Click on the specific project you're ready to develop or modify. It's vital to select the correct project because the agent will execute tasks directly within this environment. Now that you have your project open, it's time to activate the Replit agent. You can do this in 2 ways. The first method is using a keyboard shortcut for maximum speed and efficiency. Simply press Ctrl+K and voila, the agent window appears. Alternatively, if you prefer navigating with your mouse, look at the left sidebar. You should see an agent icon there. Go ahead and click it to open the agent. With the Replit agent ready, what happens next is where the magic begins. You have a range of commands you can issue. In the input field, type exactly what you want the agent to do. Maybe you need to fix a pesky bug in your code, add an exciting new feature, or even create a new file from scratch. The Replit agent is designed to understand these commands and interpret your needs. After entering your request, you can initiate the process by clicking Run. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply press Enter. It's as straightforward as that. The agent will then process your command and present you with its proposed changes. At this stage, it's crucial to take a moment and review the changes suggested by the agent. This step ensures that you're fully aware of what's about to be modified or added to your codebase. Carefully look through the proposed alterations and decide if these align with your goals and expectations. If you're happy with what you see, go ahead and click Apply to accept the changes. However, if the proposed adjustments aren't exactly what you were looking for, simply click Discard and the changes will be dismissed, leaving your project as it was. And there you have it, a complete guide to using the Replit agent in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching and happy coding.